Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. Today we are discussing exercise 9.1 some applications of trigonometry chapter of class 10. This is the last question of this exercise, question number 16. So let's read the question first. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay students, so that is a question. What is the meaning of this term complementary? Complementary means sum is equal to 90 degree. Okay, if two angles, for example, if two angles x and y, if it is been said that these two angles are complementary, which means that x plus y is equal to 90 degree. If you add these two angles, the total will be equal to 90 degree. That is the meaning of that. Okay students, so first let us draw the figure based on the data given in the question. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower. So we have a tower. Okay, so let me draw the tower first. Let me draw it here. So this is our tower. Okay, let this be our tower. Okay, we can name it as A, B. Okay, and let h be the height of the tower. The height of the tower is not given in the question. So students, if you are keeping AB or if you are using AB instead of h, it is also fine, because if you are using h, it will be easy for the calculation. That's why I am using h here. Okay students, so I took it as h. Then the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. So this is a base of the tower. So we have 2 points, 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. Okay, so first we can draw this 4 meter. Okay, let this be the first point, which is 4 meter from the tower. Okay students, so let this be our point. Okay, so next is I am giving it as D. So next is from 9 meter. It is from 9 meter from the foot of the building. So from here we have to take a next point and let that point be C, and I am joining this. Okay, so this full from here to here, this total distance is 9 meter. Okay students, so again read the question. The angles of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of, so it is the given is angle of elevation. Okay, angle of elevation from the top of the tower. So let us join this angle of elevation from the top of the tower to the first point which is 4 meter from the foot of the tower. Okay, okay, and this first angle of elevation is, okay, angle of elevation is not given, so it is been said that both are complementary, which means that, so from here to here, so next is from here to here we have an angle of elevation to the 2 points. Okay, and if we are taking this as x, okay students, so this plus this is equal to 90 degree. It has been said that the angles of elevation, it is complementary. So if we are taking this as x, for example students, this is a triangle. Suppose, okay, let this be B, let this be D, and let this be C. Okay, so next, for example, if it is x, okay, and if this is y. Okay students, so it's been said that these two angles are complementary. So we can write x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Complementary means the angle, the sum is equal to 90 degree. So y can be written as 90 minus x. Okay students, so if one angle is x, then the other angle can be written as 90 minus x. So students, here we can write 90 minus x because the sum of these two angles is equal to 90. So if one is x, then the other is 90 minus x. Okay students, clear? So that's how we mark the angles here. If this is x, other one is 90 minus x. Okay students, so let's do the solution. Okay, so here we are taking AB as a star. Okay, so let AB be the star. Okay, sorry students. Okay, so here let AB be the star. Okay, so next let this one, this is angle C. Let angle C is equal to x. Therefore, what is angle D? Angle D is equal to 90 degree minus x. Okay. So, next it's time for us to take the triangle. Okay, students. So, which triangle we can take? If we are taking, okay, we have to take a triangle with one angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So, let's start with triangle ABC. I am going to take this full triangle, triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle, why I choose triangle ABC? Because I have one non-side here. Here I have one non-side for this triangle also. I have one non-side 4 meter. So any triangles you can take, either you can take this triangle or else you can take this triangle, no problem for that. Okay, so I am taking triangle ABC first. In triangle ABC, okay, so AB is a perpendicular. I am starting with perpendicular. AB by AB by AC is equal to, AB is written as H by, okay students, AC is B. Okay, so it is base. So instead of first we can write P here. Okay, perpendicular by base, and for the next step we can write it, we can replace the P by H. Okay, so P by B is, we know P by B is tan theta. So AB, instead of AB I am writing H by, and AC is 9. Okay, so students, in this particular triangle, what is the angle? Angle is x. So instead of theta we have to write tan x. Okay students, so H by 9 is equal to tan x. Okay, so let this be the first equation. Let it be like this. I am writing it as the first equation, equation number 1. Okay students, so next, which triangle we are going to take? We can take this small triangle. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. Okay students, actually it is very easy to solve these type of questions. There is a 6-mark question from this particular chapter. Don't lose that 6 marks. Keep on practicing different type of questions in this chapter. It is very easy to score the 6 marks from this chapter. Okay students, only the figure part is little difficult, but if you understand, if you read the question and if you form the figure correctly, it is very easy to solve the remaining part of the question. Okay, so next we are taking the next triangle, triangle ABD. Okay students, so in triangle ABD I am starting with perpendicular, so I am starting with AB. Let me write here. So AB by AD is the non-side. Okay, AD is equal to perpendicular by base, that is tan theta. Okay, so AB is written, AB can be replaced with H by AD is 4. Okay, so 4 is equal to tan theta. What is theta here students? Here theta is 90 minus x. So I am writing 90 minus x here. Okay students, so we got two equation. One is this equation and the next is this equation. Okay, so students, we know what is tan of 90 minus x. What is tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay students, so tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. We have studied this in trigonometry chapter. So tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta. So cot theta, here it is theta, here instead of theta, here it is x. So I am writing cot x, h by 4. Okay. So I got the next equation number 2. Okay, students. So in the question, what we have to find? We have to find the height of the tower. So we have to prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Height of the tower means this h is 6 meter. Okay. Here it is little difficult to solve. If I am taking the value of h also, it is little difficult to solve. Okay. So here, for the other question, for the previous question, from here we took the value of h from here and we used to substitute the value of h in the second triangle or the second ratio. Okay. So here it is little difficult. Okay. So we have to think what we can do. So students, what is tan x into cot x? How can we write tan x into cot x? So tan x into cot x can be written as tan x into cot x is 1 by tan x. So if you are multiplying tan x and cot x, so it will become tan x by tan x and we will get 1 as our answer. So students, here we have in the first equation what we have tan x, and in the second equation we have cot x. So if we are multiplying these two equations, the right hand side will become 1. Okay. So that is a proper way to do or solve this 1 and 2 equation to find the value of h. So we can multiply. So from 1 and 2. Okay. I am going to multiply. H by 9 into h by 4 is equal to tan x into cot x. Okay. So what is tan x into cot x? It is 1. Okay. Here what we will get? H into h is h square by 9 fours are 36. So h square by 36 is equal to 1. Next, what is the next step? We can cross multiply. H square is equal to 36, and what is the value of h? H is root 36. So what is root 36? Root 36 is plus or minus 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. Okay. But here we will take only plus 6. Why? Because distance, it is a positive value. Okay. So our answer is, we have to take plus 6 here. So our answer is h is equal to 6 meter. So h is equal to 6. So we proved the height of the tower is 6 meter. Hence the height of tower is equal to 6 meter. Okay, students. So students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.